Bosch hammer drills are powerful and reliable tools, but like any equipment, they can experience common issues that affect performance. Understanding how to identify and resolve these problems will keep your drill working efficiently. The first common issue is overheating. This typically occurs during prolonged use, especially when drilling through hard materials or when there's insufficient lubrication in the tool's moving parts. Chuck problems are another frequent issue. The chuck can become jammed or loose due to dust accumulation, debris, or general wear. Regular cleaning and lubrication are essential for proper chuck function. Battery issues are common and can significantly impact drill performance. Problems include improper connections, battery degradation over time, and exposure to extreme temperatures. Bosch batteries typically last 2 to 5 years with proper care. Finally, SDS collar problems can prevent proper bit insertion. When the SDS collar gets stuck, ensure it's pushed forward, then insert the bit while making sure the channels are properly aligned. This technical diagram shows the internal mechanism. By understanding these common issues and their solutions, you can troubleshoot most problems with your Bosch hammer drill effectively. Regular maintenance and proper usage will prevent many of these issues from occurring. Proper maintenance starts with safety. Always wear protective equipment when working on your Bosch hammer drill. Clean your drill after each use to prevent overheating and chuck problems. Remove dust and debris that can accumulate during operation. Regular lubrication is crucial for smooth operation. Use lithium grease suitable for heavy-duty power tools, especially after extended storage periods. Always select the correct operating mode for your task. Using the wrong mode can cause unnecessary wear and reduce tool performance. Use the Bosch Professional Toolbox app to monitor your tool's condition. The app provides alerts for overheating and other potential issues through Bluetooth connectivity. If you notice black liquid leakage during operation, stop the machine immediately, allow it to cool completely, and add fresh grease. This prevents damage and maintains optimal performance. Regular maintenance extends both battery life and overall tool performance. Following these simple steps will keep your Bosch hammer drill running efficiently for years to come.